Hey there, math enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel MathZip, where we unzip the wonders of mathematics. I'm thrilled to have you on board for today's journey into the world of algebra. Whether you're a seasoned mathematician or just starting to explore the beauty of numbers, this video is your guide to the fundamental rules of algebra.
Today we'll learn about mathematics' basic rules. Rules has great importance in mathematics because all mathematics depends upon the rules. Without knowing rules, we can't understand the math, especially in algebra.
Rules in algebra provide a structured framework for solving complex mathematical problems efficiently, fostering clarity and consistency in mathematical reasoning. They serve as the foundation for understanding and manipulating mathematical expressions, ensuring accuracy and coherence in mathematical operations.
Algebra is the branch of mathematics that uses letters and symbols to represent numbers and study of their relationships through equations and formulas. It involves manipulating these symbols to solve problems and understand mathematical structures and operations.
Like as the basic operations, which are the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, and the division.
These all are called algebraic expressions. So you will think, what is an algebraic expression? So I may tell you that an algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that consists of numbers, variables, and operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It does not have a specific solution unless values are assigned to the variables. Now we should understand that every algebraic expression has some basic elements, which are the base, the power, and the coefficient. This is the base. This is the coefficient. This is the power. So here we can see clearly all the three elements of an algebraic expression. After that, we are moving to manipulate the basic operations in algebra, like as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. First, we see the rule for addition. The addition rule is, if the base and power is same in algebra, then the coefficients having same sign are added together, and the base, power, and the sign will remain same in the answer. Here we can see that we are adding two expressions which have the same base and the same power. We got 2x square. Here you must observe that we added the coefficients of both expressions, and the base and power is same in the answer. Take another example, which is 2x square plus 4x square here. We again add the coefficients of both expressions, which are 2 and 4, and we got 6x square. Here is another example, x square, y square, plus x square, y square. After adding, we got 2x square, y square. In some other conditions, where either base or power is changed. So what to do in that conditions? Let's see the note.
Note, if the base or power is not same, then they aren't added and they will be written same in the answer. So here is the first example. You must observe that the base is not same, so we write the same answer without any changing. Likewise in the second example, where the both power and base are changed, and also in the last example there is no changing in the answer.